Okay, a lot of people have been asking me about bed adhesion issues and all the problems I have with FDM miniatures adhering to the bed. And I'm going to tell you how I solved 90% of my problems. First, we got the cryo grip. And secondly, glue sticks. This one is specific to 3D printers, but I don't know that it's any different than a regular like Elmer's glue stick. And you can see I haven't even cleaned my bed, which I really should do, but we're gonna go ahead and put some of my glue on there. Just enough to keep it sticky. And in the morning, when this is done printing, my print will be adhered to the bed. And voila! Did somebody ask for bed adhesion?